my channel. So here I am with a new video. It's about the trekking I recently went to like 3 days ago, and I thought to why not make a vlog about it. So here it is. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So we were all set and ready to leave for the place Savangi, where we decided to go for trekking, and we reached there, and the climate there was just mind-blowing. It was raining and it was very pretty. So the very first thing we did was choose our beds, where we had a night stay, and ended up having a long argument on it. Then while everything was being settled, I went for cycling. Then later on, all of us headed towards the abandoned waterfall, and we had a lot of walking for that. And when we finally reached there, we ended up with nothing. But nearby there was a rain harvester which was quite peaceful, so we ended up spending time over there. And when we were back, we played a lot of games like cricket, football, we went for horse riding, we played badminton, and we had a lot of fun. And by the time of dark, we were quite tired up, and we were having our evening snacks with tea. Then we started making up dinner. Later on, we all planned to watch a movie together, and it took us half an hour to come on conclusions, and we ended up with Captain Marvel. And as we all were quite tired and sleepy, nobody remembers when we slept. So the next day, I woke up at 5:30 in the morning, and as soon as everyone was ready, we left for trekking. And I was really excited for it, but just after 15 minutes, I was all tired up. But I coped up with everyone, and we finally reached, and the scenery up from there was all worth it. Earlier, we decided to go all the way up, but we just ended up with the semi part of it. But I was still happy. So as everyone was quite hungry, we started moving back, and while moving back, we realized that we lost our ways and we had to take some really rough path. But as it is, we reached back safely, and after reaching back, we had a breakfast, and everyone just was on their beds, and we had a really fun time in the rooms. We were just all making fun. We took pictures, we had a lunch. Then we packed our bags and left for our home. So yeah, that's it. That's it for this video, guys, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.